Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to learn how we can make an object disappear in CapCut. Let's get started. Import your photo to your project, and here I have my photo imported. And just remember guys, the effect can only be applied to photos, so you have to import your photos to your video project. Okay, let's try to make the object disappear. Click on the photo like this and choose style option, and then you have to find particle disappear. It's right here. Click on the particle option, then choose particle disappear. It's right here guys. Click on the effect and wait until it's 100%. And alright, now the effect has been applied to our photo. And let's check it one more time. Okay guys, that's how we can make an object disappear from our video in CapCut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!